Good evening, family. Well, we just say afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. It's Ham's Loft. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Got the young birds in their pen. Got the aviary up. Still haven't put the bars in for the trapping, but I definitely get that done. What I did with the old trap that I had, I went on and reused it. I didn't even break it down, and I said I was, but I'm not. What I did is I just put a piece of USB from here all the way across, made it stick out a little bit, closed the Sputnik trap, and just opened up those two, and they've been coming in and out because I want, by the second week of May, I want to open up the old birds and let them all out, let them do whatever they want to do. I'm not keeping no more prisoner birds. All these birds I had for a while already anyway. I only have one new bird that was given to me by somebody in the club. It's an all black. She's in that pen. I'm gonna try not to let her out when I let the young birds out so I don't lose them. Got some tree service done. My backyard had a bunch of trees. This big pine was killing me. But now I moved everything that's at least 15 feet from the side of my house, so keep the squirrels out. And I can see the hawks better. Trimmed all the sides up so the hawks only get, they got plenty of places to land, but you know, they're easier to spot now. And then that gives the birds a better flying area. Okay, I moved most of the birds over already. I think I probably got a few more left to move. We'll take a look. All the ones on the floor, you can see they can't really fly. That's my handicap bird. He broke his wing last year. I just can't put him down. I just can't bear to do it. But he stays in here with the young birds, help them learn how to eat. My second round of young birds, I got them the yellow snap band on their feet. That just let me know what year. That's last year. He's got a yellow snap band on his foot too. Take a look at the outside. Let's rack this one back up. All right, got some that's growing up. If they got the red snap band on their feet, it just let me know that they're the first round. Here we go. I don't think none will come out, but little hope that they won't. I do have a lot of silvers, reds, but I got my share of blue bars in there. So you see the red snap band. That one got double green bands. That's a silver that I forgot to, I missed banding, but he's in there. Oh well. That one right there is a white band. That means that somebody gave me that young bird. Somebody, one of the flyers in the club that live up the street from me, he gave me 3 birds. I don't know why, but he gave me 3. I just went on and took them and just put them in the mix, but I put a white snap band on them because I got to turn them numbers in because they on my flying team now. Okay. So I only got 10 more bands left. We can go look at the young birds. 10 more bands left. And this one is from one that passed away when he was little, but it is what it is. Got one baby there that have not been banned. These two in here, I think they already banned. Yeah, they already banned. So I got two right there. I know he's sitting on three eggs. I found an egg on the floor. I just put it underneath him. He's got two eggs. Two eggs. Got two babies in there. All those are babies right there. And that one right there. Sitting on babies. Eggs. Eggs. Nothing. No, they got something up here. Eggs. Eggs. I know two babies in there. I'm about, wow. I can't wait to gut this thing back out. Okay, family. That's about it. Like I said, I got 10, well, a total of 11 bands left. Probably got enough eggs in there to make it. And I gotta get 5 more. I gotta get 5 money bands. And then that's it. Breeding season be over. Hopefully in the next 1st of May, it should definitely be over. I should be able to have, hopefully the eggs already hatched and everything will be looking good. So 2nd week of May, no more birds, that'll be it. I'll put a blue snap band on the 3rd round, call it a day, and go ahead and break this whole thing down in the inside, gut it out again, separate the cocks and the hens, and oh, I'll be so happy to be over with. And then it's time to get ready to start training. My birds will all be strong on the wings, so it's not going to be any problems. When they get out, they do whatever they do. They fly away, they'll come back. If they don't, oh well, it's part of the game. All right. Shouts out to all the flyers. Hope everybody's having a good breeding season as well as the old bird season. I don't fly old birds. I can't afford to fly them. All right. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.